Are you frustrated with damaged vinyl in your healthcare facility? CleanPatch-V is a new medical device that quickly and safely repairs damage. This short video will walk you through how best to use this technology. Vinyl is common in healthcare and is used for wheelchairs, exam tables, geriatric chairs, even waiting room furniture. Because of this everyday use, vinyl is prone to damage, including rips, tears, and cracks. Damaged vinyl is uncomfortable, unsanitary, and unprofessional in your facility. Until now, this problem was addressed in two ways: buying new, which costs a fortune, or taping the damage, which is prohibited by surveyors. A new solution is now available: CleanPatch-V, a registered medical device that is proven to be durable in healthcare, cleanable by disinfectants, and impervious to fluids. CleanPatch-V is recommended for use on flat and 2D surfaces. Do not use on 3D corners. Prior to using CleanPatch-V, inspect the surface. Do not repair if there is fluid ingress or the damage is more than 6 inches. Once deciding to repair, CleanPatch-V can be applied peel and stick. Simply clean the surface and apply in seconds. Don't forget to date and initial. CleanPatch-V is available in two sizes: a 5.75 by 8 inch rectangle and a 1.75 by 4 inch strip. Visit cleanpatch.ca for more information, and we look forward to hearing from you.